Okay friends, here are the things I bought. These are the wafers or the crackers which are very healthy, which you can use in dips. These are some Chinese fried noodles which I use to make some manchow soup or for Chinese bhel. Then of course there's this dark and white chocolate compound which I use for all my desserts, brownies, barfi, some mixed herbs which go into my pastas and pizzas. Then of course my coffee powder which I require early in the morning. Some processed cheese blocks. This is the imported Nutella huge jar. This is Worcestershire sauce which goes into my barbecue chicken and many other recipes. Some mustard, which is also very delicious. Then this is piri piri which goes into my piri piri pori and many other recipes. Then I also got some Tabasco pepper sauce. Then there's this Viva collection. They have amazing sauces and mayos. So this is the mint mayo. It goes very well with burgers. Just dress up a burger bun with that. It's amazing. Then this is an all-time favorite at our place, which is the Chipotle Southwest dressing. Then we got this sweet onion sauce. It's just amazing. So when we try to make some Subways at home, the Subway sandwiches, all these sauces really come handy. So we got 2 of these Southwest. Then of course Hershey's caramel syrup, which goes so well on any dessert or ice cream. Then some cheese slices. Then we got some tea powder, some Pringles, the piri piri flavor, which is a good favorite at our place. Then some tomato ketchup, some Bonvita for the kids, some extra virgin olive oil, some juices, some clarified butter and ghee. Now that Diwali is around, we require it for the sweets. Then some white vinegar, some kitchen towels, some of other toiletries that are required around the place for the month. We generally go once in a month. And of course Diwali dry fruits to give, to put it up on our Diwali tray, and they're such amazing flavored. There was Italian seasoned almonds, there was some chaat masala almond. These are our favorites, which has got some sesame seeds and honey. This is like, after a meal you just want to crunch on something. Then this is some ginger sweets, which are also amazing. Some roasted peanuts, cashew nuts, dried strawberries. Like now you get all kinds of berries. We already had bought cranberries and blueberries, so we found this something new over there, so we got the strawberries too. Some spatulas which make my cooking much easier, and I bought this amazing ceramic pan. I love the color of the pan. I was just waiting to buy one, get my hands on a white pan, which I'm just waiting to show some recipe on it on my Akshatas recipes. Can't just wait to use it. If you live in Mumbai or close to Mumbai and you haven't been to Crawford Market yet, guys, you're really missing out on something. Go to Crawford Market, especially during the Diwali shopping time, Christmas shopping time. I mean, all year it's amazing to go. So this is a bit of the stuff that we bought, like a month's supply of stuff we require, which we can use to make various dishes. I can show them on Akshatas recipes, all different kinds of new dishes. And then I got these amazing flowers. Since I have one of my walls in my house is yellow, so this went very well with it. The yellow and white, it just brightened up the room so much. I have to get a vase at the moment. I've just plopped it up into something. Like you can see now, one of my walls is yellow, so I just wanted to brighten up the room with some nice white and yellow flowers. Oh, I just love shopping at Crawford Market. It's also, it's an iconic place, so try visiting and try to go there. So I hope you enjoyed this short haul. Give it a big like if you did, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please excuse my voice, I have a kind of a bad throat today. And once you have subscribed, do not forget to click on the bell icon, so every time I upload a video you get to see and get a notification of the same. Do visit Akshatas recipes. There are more than 200 recipes. Go to the playlist, it makes it easier to find what you're really looking for. And thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great day. Have a lovely Diwali. See you guys soon with a new video, a new recipe. Bye, take care.